I want to share with you a brand new strategy that you can use today to make up to 7,500 US every single month by simply answering questions. So if this sounds fascinating to you, let's head over to my screen so that I can show you this website that you can use to make all that money. Alright guys, so the website in question here is Study Pool, and this is a very incredible and powerful way how to make money online. There's a lot of things here within this video that I'm going to show you on this website, so you want to stick around and watch the entire video. So what this website does, it helps students to study. You can come here to find tutors and also to find relevant documents, guides, and to find tutorial sessions on whichever subject or topic that you need. Right, so if you come here under all subjects, you realize they have quite a lot of different subjects from business, and if you click on the business, you have so many topics. Humanities, you have so many. Programming, you have so many. Mathematics, you have so many. Writing, science, health and medical, economics, engineering, computer science, law, foreign languages. Guys, so much, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll on and show you how does it work, right? You can simply come here and you can post a question, you can connect with a tutor, and you can also have explanation and answers done, right? So if you scroll on here, you realize they also have a section called featured documents, which I'll show you a bit later how you can utilize this to make money, right? So you can come here and you can find a wide range of documents based on different topics and subjects, right? So you can find quite a lot there. You can also find study guides as well, and you can also get yourself into video tutoring, right? And I'm going to show you what else you can do with this. So if you scroll to the top here, you have a study tool. You can find quite a lot of study tools, book guides, etc., right? And they also have a section that you can sell your docs. So if you click on sell docs, guys, you realize that you can earn up to 5,000 US dollars every month by simply posting your documents, right? So every time someone views this document, you can earn up to $10 for that view. How amazing is that? Simply, all you have to do is just upload your documents, get it approved. It is viewed by over tens of millions of students, and you earn money. It's as simple as that. And I'm going to show you how you can utilize the power of AI to help you create these documents, right? So if you scroll on here, you can see some of the recent selling documents, and you can see some of the top earners and how much money they are making from this website. Really amazing stuff here. And as you can see, some of these documents have quite a lot of pages, while some of them just have 1 to 2 pages, right? So depending on the topics, right? But now you see that you can easily sell your documents and earn money in any language whatsoever, as you can see there, right? Very interesting stuff. Now the next way how to make money is to become a tutor. If you choose to become a tutor, guys, you can make up to 7,500 US dollars every single month to become a tutor. Really incredible stuff. And they offers the lowest fees, and it's a steady, reliable income, and this gives you as well the full freedom and flexibility to work, so based on your own timing there. If you scroll on here, guys, as you can see, what happened is that students come and they post their question, and you can answer this via text, providing full explanation and answer. The student or the tutor will communicate this via chat message, and the tutor sessions are one time or question based, right? And here you can see some of the recent questions posted by students. This one is for $5, this one is for $15, this one is for $40, $32, $28, $10, you name it. So quite a lot. And as I said, you can find some of the top earners here on the right hand side, how much they're making. Now you're wondering, where can I do this? Which country? You can do this worldwide. So if you're living in Nigeria, you can use this to make money. I know a lot of people out there are currently living in the African countries and want to know how they can make money within those countries. So if you're living in Nigeria, if you're living in South Africa, Zambia, it doesn't matter where, Indonesia, India, it doesn't matter where you are, USA, Canada, Mexico, it doesn't matter. You can utilize this, as this operates worldwide, to make money online, right? So you can easily become a tutor, sign up and start making money. You can easily sign up with your Gmail, or you can sign up with your Facebook and further fill out your profile. And this is a great way how you can make money online by simply answering questions, so that can help students in their studies. Now you're wondering, how can I create these documents? Guys, you can utilize the power of AI. Take ChatGPT for example. You can simply head over to ChatGPT and sign up, right? And start asking ChatGPT those questions. You'll have to play with it to answer those questions and go into more details to answer those questions. But you can utilize the power of ChatGPT to answer any question and easily prepare a document that you can post on Study Pool. And the same goes for tutors. It doesn't matter whichever question they may ask, you can utilize the power of AI. ChatGPT, Bing, Bard, whichever one, you can utilize this to find those answers. You can even utilize the power of Google to help you find answers to those questions. And you can provide this and earn money online. If it's a necessity that you need to do like a grammar check and a paraphrase, you can utilize the power of Quillbot, as this has all the tools you need. You can paraphrase, you have a grammar checker, you also have the option to do translator, summarize, and also you can utilize the power of plagiarism checker to ensure that there is no plagiarism within your content. So everything that you need, guys, you can utilize this. And if you would like to find more AI tools, you can just simply head over to google.com and search for additional AI tools that can easily help you to answer questions, to prepare documents, and also to create guides so that you can make the most money out of this website. Guys, over 30 million studies documents is on this website. So you can start capitalize on this new way how to provide value, help students, and make a ton of money online. And this way how to make money online, doesn't matter where you are, you can make money online utilizing this way by answering questions to students online. And there you have it, guys, Study Pool. You can help students to answer questions by utilizing the power of AI such as ChatGPT, Bing, or whichever other AI tool, even utilizing the use of Google to simply answer questions and to get paid. Now guys, I really hope that you found this video useful, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Real Money Wisdom. I'm Andrew, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you will be a part of the community and so that you'll never miss out when I release my next video. Thank you very much and see you next time.